Hey there, thanks for tuning in. Today we got something new to check out, but I got a little problem here. I'm not sure if it's gonna even fit down into the cave. So, let's start with that. No. Okay, let's check. Okay, no. Okay, here we go. Okay. Alright, made it! Check that. New beast on the bench. We got the Sonicwake 36-inch self-righting deep V ready to run. Made by Proboat, Horizon Hobby. Super excited for this one, as always. So I got the white and blue version, not the black and green. So let's take a look here. So inside the boat now we got Dynamite electronics and Spectrum. Got the Dynamite ESC, fully waterproofed and water cooled. It's capable of 2 to 6S. You got your dual battery outlets here. And we got Spectrum receiver buried in the side. Fully waterproof, and a Spectrum servo. Control that rudder. And lastly, we got the Dynamite brushless motor here. Fully water cooled as well. Looking beautiful, color matched with the blue. So out on the water today, we're going to be using the Gen Zeiss Adventure 5000. It's a 2S 100C battery, and we're going to run the 2 and run it on 4S. The boat's capable of 6S. I only have one 3S battery at the moment, so I will be ordering another one soon, and we'll do another video of the boat running on 6S. was so much fun. I can't wait to get that boat running on 6S and see it going even faster. It'd be awesome too to get it out to a bigger lake, like by my place, Lake Ontario, where the waves are much bigger, so I can get it flying out of the water. That self-righting feature is fantastic. That's what I was looking for in my next boat. And again, just thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and hit that subscribe button, and have a great day.